So the Deep South Challenge is one of the government's 11 national science challenges, and its primary focus is on climate change and helping New Zealanders to understand, adapt and thrive under future climate change. Its name comes from the focus on understanding how changes in Antarctica, Southern Ocean and the atmosphere in the Southern Hemisphere influence New Zealand's climate. So the things the Challenge are really interested in are impacts around droughts, extreme weather events like storms, sea level rise, and also about how climate is shifting slowly. So for example, if we have fewer frosts, how might that affect our horticulture industry? If we have lots more dry spells, how that might affect water availability for cities, and also our hydroelectricity. And there's a whole range of things that New Zealanders are subtly dependent on the climate for providing. At its heart, it has some exciting new technology with a Earth system model, and that's going to allow us to make better projections for climate change in New Zealand and what the implications of those changes are for the way we live our lives. I'm passionate about the Deep South because climate change it's a slow-moving problem that's going to affect my children, my grandchildren, and New Zealand society for generations. And it's really about us getting started now. And if we don't understand what's going to happen in the future, we can't make decisions around things like infrastructure and other things which have long planning timescales. And maybe we'll end up with a New Zealand that we don't want, a New Zealand that's not like the one we have now or the one that our ancestors knew.